A Bird Came Down the Walk by Emily Dickinson. A bird came down the walk. He did not know I saw. He bit an angled worm in halves and ate the fellow raw. And then he drank a drink from convenient grass and hopped sideways to the wall to let a beetle pass. He glanced with rapid eyes that hurried all abroad. He looked like fountain beads, I thought. He steered his velvet head. Like one in danger, cautious, I offered him a crumb, and he unrolled his feathers and rode him softer home. Then oars divide the ocean, two silvers for a seam, or butterflies of banks of moon. Deep, lashless as they swim.